The front facade of today's house reveals a curved concrete wall that works as a welcoming threshold. It protects, defines privacy, and at the same time creates a small square with a tree. Upon entering, we pass through this threshold and immediately feel the transition into spaces that celebrate shade, freshness, and silence. In Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, House Tao spans about 472 square meters, conceived as a refuge within a modest neighborhood. Mature trees and a nearby tree-lined plaza provide natural shade and fresh breeze. Above the foundation, the light box with double height houses the social areas living, dining, and gathering. This elevated volume allows air to circulate freely, capturing the sea breeze without overexposing the interiors to direct sunlight. Rather than relying on large glass panes, the design uses angled openings that filter light, capture glimpses of sky and tree canopy, and shield the house from strong sunlight. The exposed concrete absorbs and modulates the light. The design echoes the reflections of Japanese 20th century author Junichiro Tanizaki in his essay In Praise of Shadows, where subtle light reveals depth and texture. HW Studio captures that spirit, allowing light and shadow to guide perception and slow the pace of the day. To inhabit here is to study presence. When the coastal sun strikes the concrete, the house seems to whisper tranquility. The elevated, double-height volume floats above its base, embraced by the wind and embracing the shadow. Materiality was inevitably a tactile and sensory decision. White dazzles under the coastal sun, while concrete heavy, honest absorbs light gently. This is a concrete that warms with use and with time. In this material, light does not reflect, it rests. Circulation between levels is guided by discrete staircases, linking the base to the elevated volume, alternating ceiling heights and creating moments of encounter with raised balconies, contemplative terraces, and spaces where salty wind and the fragrance of flowers blend together. On the ground floor, bedrooms, garage, and service areas form a solid base. The rooms are organized around a quiet patio that serves as an internal lung. A solitary tree, a curved wall, gentle thresholds create intimacy without enclosure. There is openness to the sky, to the wind, to the tree-lined plaza. The house turns inward, yet remains permeable. Throughout the day, the atmosphere of the house changes. Soft brightness in the early hours, filtered light at noon, long shadows at dusk. Each corner reveals texture, shade, and natural cooling. House Tao shows that architecture can be both restrained and powerful. A harmonious combination of minimalism, honest concrete, glass, and shadow, creating more than shelter, spaces for contemplation, memory, and calm living.